morning, Shem Stars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Let's start today's lesson. Hello, dear children. Today we are going to read a poem that's name is The Potter. That is based on art and creativity. The main objectives of this poem are to read and understand a poem about the potter's earthen pots. We will learn about antonyms and learn similes, make a chart on materials used to make pots. So, people use earthen pots and refrigerators to cool water in summer. Can you think of 4 differences between an earthen pot and a refrigerator? You have to write 4 differences here. And which do you think is more environment friendly? An earthen pot or a refrigerator? Give reasons for answer. What is good for our health? So, this is a poem. Have you seen potters make earthen pots? Read the poem by Chitra Padmanabhan to see how their earthen pots help us beat the heat in extremely hot summers. The summer sun smiles a scorching smile. The smile sends shivers through the stoutest hearts. A summer smile is reason to sweat, but the potter's back with his cool lifeline. Earthen pots of every size are piled under a tarpaulin sky, waiting to find new homes and soothe thirsty throats. Their water has a magical taste, the sweet smell of wet earth or soil that comes alive after the first seasonal shower. Some pots are small, like a baby's song. Some are round, a perfect O. Some are tall, with slender necks, like a curious gazelle looking ahead. They wait patiently, awaiting their turn to be tucked under a grateful arm, knowing they give their best. The more the sun scowls, the crosser it gets. Children, it means that when there is scorching heat, when there is a very hot time and hot season, we all are sweating, but the potter is busy in making different type of pots. He feels happy because in this season only he is able to earn money, so he doesn't feel any difficulty. Rather, he is happy as his earning increases in this season. He makes earthen pots of different size and keeps them safely under a strong waterproof cloth so that they are not damaged during the heavy rain. He eagerly waits for the customer to buy his pots so that he can get money for his livelihood. The taste of water in these earthen pots is good and also they give a sweet smell. They are made with the soil that comes alive after the first seasonal rain. These pots are of different size. Some are round, some are tall, and they patiently wait to reach to the person who will gently take care of them. So children, that's it for today. I think it is understood and also you enjoyed this poem, you learned something. So go through all the exercises. Tomorrow we will discuss in our Zoom session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom